my little winter outfit of the day. This coat was passed down from my mom. My grandma gave it to my mom, and then my mom gave it to me. So I've been wanting to wear it. Finally this year she gave it to me and I've been wanting to wear it. Some cute shoes, jeans, jacket, cute little bag. To share with you guys, also sorry this vlog might be a little short, but my goal is just like posting every day and showing you guys bits and pieces of my life. And sometimes I feel like on some days it's shorter, some days it's longer, but I will say I've been so under the weather today and I think I'm getting sick, and I never get sick. So I'm like, this can't happen right now because I'm doing Vlogmas and I have like finals week. So I've just been trying to get better. I pretty much napped and relaxed all day long, and then I showered, washed my hair. I did an everything shower, feels so good. And now I just want to make a little breakfast because I feel like I have not been having breakfast recently. I've been neglecting breakfast, which is like the most important meal ever. So I'm gonna show you guys today how to make a chia pudding for breakfast that is so yummy. And I have different ways I make this, but today I'm gonna show you the extra creamy version. It's very healthy. This has a lot of healthy fats in it, which is really good in the morning to eat. Okay, so you're gonna need chia seeds. I use this coconut milk in everything. If I'm making a coconut milk latte, if I'm making a matcha, if I'm making literally anything that I don't want to use dairy in, I'm always using coconut milk. This is my absolute favorite. So I give this a shake, and then I'm using this Coco June strawberry unsweetened yogurt. Honestly, I've never tried the strawberry one of this. I usually just get like a regular coconut yogurt, but hopefully this is a good one. So I'm going to take a little bit of the Coco June yogurt first. This is the one if you want to take a screenshot. I just put it in a little container that has a lid so I can store it in the fridge for tomorrow. So this is my favorite. So I do like a scoop of the Coco June, maybe a little more than a scoop. It's kind of tart, which I like for the base. And then I just add some coconut milk, and I do equal parts. You can also do coconut water. I do equal parts of both. And then I give it a little stir. And then maple syrup. I'm using this Crown Madagascar vanilla infused maple syrup. I like to add vanilla bean in this, like fresh vanilla beans, but I do not feel like it right now, so I'm just gonna do my vanilla maple syrup. I highly recommend you sweeten this with something that is not artificial. Maple syrup, agave, honey, those are things that taste really great in this. I always drizzle it once I've topped it off with like fruits and stuff, I always drizzle it with honey too, but this is what I do first. And then I'm gonna take the chia seeds and eyeball it. Basically, I do as much as like, I want the whole thing to be covered in chia seeds. This is it, and as you can see, I just did like enough chia seeds to where the whole thing has chia in it. And then I top it off with coconut flakes, honey, goji berries, and strawberries, and that is my morning breakfast. So I wanted to share that recipe in case you guys were running out of ideas for breakfast. This is so quick and easy. You can also just meal prep this in to-go containers and take it to go every morning with fruit topped off on top. Okay guys, I am quite under the weather and I'm about to take a Dayquil and just like get ready for bed because it's bedtime. But I did some shopping and I want to show you guys some stuff that I got. Most of them are restocks. I was running low on a few goodies that I usually use in my daily routine. So first thing I got was this Chanel powder to try, and I just got it in the shade number 12. And it's just this like pinky toned powder. Although I will say I'm very tried and true to the Makeup by Mario powder. I also picked up my Chanel bronzer because I'm like basically out of it. I always talk about this, I've been using this product forever, but I just picked up another one of the bronzer. It's my favorite and it's so pretty, and so I just got a little restock. I use it in 392. It's natural, it's beautiful, like you will just look glowing and stunning and all the things. I'm almost out of my Lancome Genifique serum for my under eyes, and so I also restocked my Genifique serum. I feel like this serum is like the reason that I wake up with way less darkness than usual. If I don't use this, I wake up with like a little bit more of a dark under eye. I picked up a Kosas Revealer Extra Bright because I am almost out of this. I have been through tubes and tubes of this. It's my favorite. Just picked up another Augustinus Butter Lip Balm. If you know me, you know this is like the only lip product. Like I will line my lips and use this, and that is just my daily go-to combo. Picked up another Hourglass skin tint in the shade 10. I love this stuff. It makes my skin look incredible. I got the Charlotte Tilbury Unreal Skin Tint too. So these are the only like skin tints that I use, but recently I've been more into a skin tint, especially in the winter. I feel like not really into like a full coverage look. And then I got my Clé de Peau concealer stick. I like this for just certain areas of my face, or if I'm doing like a natural quick 5-minute look, I always use this Clé de Peau. Last but not least, Victoria Beckham goodies. I just restocked. These I use pretty much every day, if not every other day, and I have had all of them for a year. And then I recently ran out and I repurchased all of them at once. So first of all, she always sends her cute little sharpeners, which I love and I always use. They're so chic. And then this pouch is so cute. This is her satin Kajal eyeliner in cinnamon. I'm like out of this. Her contour stylus in sandstone and marble. Yes, I use both. And then her satin Kajal liner in cocoa.